One.
Hi, this is Mrs. Marsh. I'm going to show you how to use Logger Pro. Open it up on your desktop. When you open up, it looks like this. Is a X and Y axis for your data, and there's also a graph paper. So if you double click on the X axis, it allows you to rename it other than just calling it X. So for me, I'm just going to call it time just for an example. Units as well, put in seconds there. For me, I'm going to put in distance for my y-axis, and the y-axis is the variable that changes based upon your change in your x-axis. The x-axis right here that I put in time, that is your independent variable. That's the variable that you have control of, the thing that you definitely manipulate on your own. So I'm going to put in some data here. So at 0 seconds, 0 distance, 1 second, 2 meters, 2 seconds, 4 meters, 3 seconds, 5 meters, and lastly, 4 seconds. Actually, I'm going to change this to 6. And then 4 seconds, we'll do 8 meters. Now, if you might notice here that I did plot some points as I was entering the data. To have your data points spread across your entire graph paper, you go up to the toolbox there and it says auto scale graph. Once you hover on there, or you can just click on it, it will spread it among the whole graph. The next thing you'll have to do is go over to this R equals, which is a linear fit. Click there. And what you'll notice is that there is a line of best fit, but there's also here a statistics box. And the statistics box tells you a bunch of things. One, it gives you the formula for it here. So if you guys recall that the slope line formula is y equals mx plus b. So instead of being y, I have distance. So it says d. And for m, that's my slope. Instead of x, that is my time. And then plus b, that's my y-intercept. It tells me what my slope is. I put the units in, if you remember, for meters and seconds. So it tells me exactly what my slope is, which is 2 meters per second. My y-intercept right here is 0. And so it tells me that as well. There's a correlation value there. A correlation that is very close, or if not 1, is the absolute best. That is what you need to do to enter in data into Logger Pro.